Scott Brown here. In this special exciting episode, we're going to turn this 3-bedroom house into a 4-bedroom house. This is a start to finish video. Enjoy. Let's do a bit of a tour. That's where you walk in, and this is the living room, bedroom, and the rest of the house. We're not touching the rest of the house, so that doesn't concern us. Where a lot of the work is happening is in this bedroom here. That fireplace is disappearing. This is going out about 1.5 meters, in line with that external wall out there. We're basically squeezing a 4th bedroom between these 2 bedrooms. We're gaining this extra bit of floor area here, and then we're squeezing this bedroom in the middle. Yeah, flooring under.
I know, it's so nice there.
There's a lot more timber behind this plasterboard than we thought. It's partly bracing, so we have to leave it on at least one side. The demo out here was a little selective, and now we're gonna look at the floor. We've got to turn what is a deck into an internal floor. Sweet. Rock and more rock. Sometimes it pays to sort of look at the plans and see where all that fits in, because it just feels like you're just digging holes for nothing. So if you look at these plans here, you can see these different points are the points that the weight is coming down to, essentially. And that's the point of the post. Everything we're trying to do here is we're trying to do as much of the framing as we can, so when we start taking things away, there's some structure there to hold things. That chimney, for example, we've got to take a lot of the structure out of there out. So we want to put our new wall in here to keep the house together. We're about to make one big leap toward getting this thing maze free. And here is a part of the beam that will help us do that. So we're doing this beam in pieces. We're bringing them up in sections. All in a day's work, eh, Rich? Looks good.
You can see why we wanted to put some good posts on the ground.
Oh yeah, all that weight going from there down to one post, and all that weight is going down through that lintel to two posts. And then we do it all over again up here.
Oh, you smell good on the blade.
Go. Ready?
Good.
Yeah.
So now that the sill and batten's in place, we'll chuck the window in and we'll leave it in there until the inspection. So So these weatherboards were the existing weatherboards. The guys sanded all these weatherboards and created weather grooves both front and back to match the sort of modern standards, and managed to reuse them. So these are some of the tricky parts. Look at this. Boom!
Oh, yay.
I just missed that.
You got
Another one, Rich? You got another one?
Scott Brown here. We are doing a flooring transplant. We're moving native timber flooring from one room to another. Say goodbye to the fireplace. Bye, fireplace.
What are you doing, Pato?
Oh, let's get a little bit of ceiling work, mate.
Bit of ceiling work. Pato's been putting the panels in the ceiling.
Smells strong.
Well, there you go. Renovation complete. So here's the room that I first walked into, and our reclaimed flooring. The fireplace was right here. Now the ceiling would make you think that the fireplace was never there. We've still got wardrobes to put in and everything. They're getting made currently, so as soon as they're done. Oh man, this is cool. There we go. There's the last remnant of the fireplace. That was one section of it. And these are the original doors. I don't want to touch them in case they've been painted. And here is the new living room opening. Used to just be a little door in the corner. And we chucked a beam in there and opened that thing right up. And all the windows are new double glazed sashes. I think they've just been painted as well, so that's why they're just slightly open. So yeah, a bit of paint, bit of touch up on the outside. That garage door is going to arrive in a couple of weeks. So I'll come back and do like a final sign off when that happens. And then the renovation's done. And guess what? The new renovation starts tomorrow. Oh, and thanks a lot for watching the series. I've really enjoyed doing it. I've really enjoyed this renovation, and it's happened in a crazy year. We had a lockdown in the middle of it, and it all turned out really good. So thanks for watching, and to new subscribers, welcome. If you want to watch the whole series, I'll put a playlist at the end here somewhere or there, and I'll also put a link to the next series, which is starting in the next exciting episode. All new installation, polyester R3.6. Goes under here as well. We'll probably have to secure that properly at some point. Job well done.
Like land in the center. You don't want to be like over here.
Yeah, that's true.
It is. It's even hard to work at.
Scott Brown here.
Oh, wait, that's a good one.
Scott Brown here. Scott Brown, damn it.
You gotta start sliding from here, I think. Like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scott Brown here. And in today's exciting episode,